Alright, hey friends, I got a Fitbit Charge 2 here. I'm going to show you how to change out the band real quick. So what you want to do is flip it over to the other side, and these has two little tabs here. So pretty much you just press on this metal tab here, right there with your nail, and then just kind of lift the band up, just like that. So pretty much just pop the tab, it releases the little knob there, and you can just pull it straight up away from it like this, in this direction. Okay, same thing to the other side. Get your nail there and kind of just push. It's hard to grip it. It's actually pretty easy. There we go. Comes off just like that. And the same way to put it on, you don't need to push this button, or you don't need to press this at all. You simply have it here. You just slide it on like that, and it clicks into place very easily. So have it here, just slide it on. Once it clicks, it's in place. And that's how you change out the band on a Fitbit Charge 2. Thanks for watching, my friends.